Abhay Revatkar from Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Today, here we are going to discuss the symbol table and base table formations of system programming subject. In last lecture, we have discussed the how we find out the locations counter or how we calculate the LC. That already we have discussed in yesterday lectures. Now, today here we are going to discuss or calculate the symbol table and base table. Now, here we have one small program, that is the name of that program is mypro, and end with the end symbol. Any program consists of the instructions and the pseudo opcode. So while giving such types of program, what is our first aim or goal? We have to calculate the locations counter. As discussed previous lecture, we have calculated the locations counter, as here we have completed locations counter. Now afterwards, here we are need to find out or calculate the symbol table and base tables. How we calculate the symbol table and base table? Okay, now what do you mean by symbol table? Symbol table means what are the different types of symbols we have in a programs, that is called as a symbol table creations. Here you may find at the left hand side mypro, data 1, data 2, data 3. These are the symbols. If you want to find out the symbols, while what are the programs you have given in that program, you may find at the left hand side what different types of symbols. Okay, so that is symbols contained in your programs as mypro, data 1, data 2, data 3. These are the four symbols available in your symbol tables. So how many rows here you require? Here you require the 4 rows to insert the symbols. Now what are the content of that symbol table? We must require the symbols, value and relative or absolute locations, whether that symbol having the absolute locations or relative locations, and value nothing but your locations counter for that symbols. Okay, now here we have put first symbol, that is called as a micro. Here you may find the first symbol, that is called as a micro. Now the value of that micro is 0. How you find out? Here you may find the value of that micro is 0. That's why here we put the value is 0. Now the locations is relative, okay, not absolute. Now the next symbol is here you may find the data 2, data 1. Okay, what is the value of that symbols? Here you find the LC, that is called as a 12. Okay, now the third symbol, here you may find the data 2. What is the value of the data 2? 16. Data 3, 20. So these are the symbols with their value, and all the symbols having their relative locations. Okay, how we calculate the locations counter, that already we have discussed. Today we are not going to discuss here how we calculate the program counter. Okay, so that is very important, locations counter or program counter. Now how we find out the base table? Base table, while calculating the base table or when we generate the base table, the two important concept here you may understand: the registers number and the content. But what is next? How we calculate, how we find out the base table? Okay, now we need to find out the registers number and the contents. So how we find it? What are the program you have given? You must find the using tells the assembler. What using is a one type of pseudo opcode. As per the definitions of using tells the assembler what is my base registers. Okay, so how many times here you may find the usings? Here you may find the two times. So first using, here you may find the star comma 15. So 15 is a base registers and a star is a content. So 0 under that star, here we may find the value 0, and 15 is a base registers. Okay, now again here you may find the second base registers. Okay, because here we have used the two times, using here we have used the two times. Okay, that's why first base register is a 15 and the second base register is a 10. Okay, what will be the data to value? Data to value is a 16. Okay, so that's why first register here is 15, that is value content of that value is 0, because the star indicate the content and that content is 0. Now the second here you may find using that data to is again registers, and that register contain the value or symbols contain the value. So what value it has? It has data to, it has the 16 value. Okay, so that's why register 15 contains 0 value, register 10 contain the 16 value. Then here we require the most important formula, that is called as a EA, that is called as a effective address calculations, offset, index registers, base registers. Okay, in this way we can calculate the offset. Now the how we calculate the offset? Offset we calculate on the basis of value of symbol minus content of base. So how we calculate the offset? Value of symbol. If the value of symbol is 0 and the offset is, what are the offset? So in this way we can calculate the offset. So this is a way to generate the symbols table and base tables. Here we have discussed. Okay, so thank you.